It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. A wonderful day in the neighborhood. Hello there, boys and girls, and welcome to my neighborhood. Can you say griddle, boys and girls? I knew that you could. Today we're doing griddled cheese porn, and we've got some Dutch smoked cheese we're going to try out. Yum. I've got some Texas toast, and it's got mayonnaise. And I just like saying I put mayonnaise on it. I love my ranch dressing on it lately, as you know if you've watched more than once or twice lately. And I know you watch every episode. But I should hang on to this so I know what this is. Did I say and I want to give an unbiased test of the cheese without prejudicing it with ranch. I want something more bland so I can get a truer indication of the flavor. So, should I peel this rind off? Yeah, it wants to stay. But I'll hate it if I leave it. So let's just do some of this. I should have done that first, huh? Maybe I'll just leave it. It's holding my cheese together. Okay. We got Texas toast with mayonnaise and whatever cheese I said this was. This is turned down low, but it's a hot day, y'all. Again, at least it's not filled with smoke. There's a little bit of smoke in the air, but not as bad as it has been. Okay, and we're in avocado country, and I can't recall if I've actually tried an avocado on the griddle. I don't think I have, which is just crazy talk, right? Right. So, let's try a little bit of avocado oil, since it's avocado, huh? Just a little. I'll slice the other half once I test this. I just want to see. It's a test in the test kitchen. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! You broke it, you bastards. Let's pick up our cheese before it melts all over the griddle. You know I'm messy. I can't help it. It just happens. I can't control it. Okay, there we go. Maybe put the bread that way. Okay. Dome it. Ta-da. By the way, I found a cool food show on Crackle, I think. One of those oddball network thingies. Pretty sure it's Crackle. Fluffy, the comedian. I'm not fat, I'm fluffy. Has a thing where he goes around with fellow comedians on tour, and they go to restaurants. And the first episode is at the Heart Attack Grill in downtown Vegas. And it was hilarious. Look at that. It's getting... We'll see how it tastes. And what was this? Dutch smoked cheese on the griddled cheese sandwich. Anyway, Fluffy and his gang are hilarious. I think that's ready. Smoked Dutch cheese is very hot. Maybe I'll let it cool a sec. Cool like me. Right. Yeah, check out Fluffy and his gang. Hilarious. You get a good idea of the restaurants. And I don't even know the name of the show. Fluffy Eats or something. Oh, that's getting a good shell on it. Good coat. A good sear. Okay, let's check out the sandwich. As always, smoked cheese is the way to go. I love smoked cheeses. Okay, we'll try out the avocado and I'll give you an update later. I'm not going to make you sit through that. That's all we got. That's griddled cheese porn for today. Smoked Gouda, or smoked Dutch cheese, sorry. I don't know what I'm saying. It's been a long day. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day and a pleasant tomorrow. Bye!